Hello, I am Sheikh Gulam Dastagir and this is my submission for the MiniMax AI Agent Challenge. My project is called AiLab. It is an intelligent assistant built using the MiniMax Agent platform. So let's visit the project using the URL given over here. So this is the transforming STEM education with AI innovation. So what is AI Lab? STEM education provides. It is the cutting-edge educational tool and simulation to make learning science and technology engaging, interactive, and accessible for all students from different places of the world. We have the key features over here is that the AI visualization chatbot. We have the interactive AI chatbot. Usually, chatbot has the text-only information, but we will give you the dynamic MindMed visualizes reasoning and provide deep educational responses. Then we have chemistry lab simulator, virtual lab with real equation balancing. It will also give you the chemistry property mockups so that you can perform a simulation before going into a real-time setup in the chemistry lab. We also have the AI concept visualizer, which we give the dynamic visual stories with the real AI generated images and cinematic transition to help the student grasp the information through visual appearance. We have the cross-platform AI visualization also. This educational tool that demystifies AI by visualizing reasoning pipelines, decision trees, and confidence scoring. We will see the demo of in the ahead of the video. We also have the about section. Meet our founder. That's me, Gulam Dastagir Sheikh, the founder and the CEO of AI Labs. So let's move to the actual features. So let's start with the visual chatbot. So what the visual chatbot is? It is an interactive conversation with dynamic knowledge mapping, giving you the visual representation. How does the chatbot understand at the backend to give you the idea how it is thinking at the backend. So visual knowledge maps we have the real-time AI reasoning, we have the deep educational content over here. So let's take an example. We have some of the keywords over here. Instead of writing all of those, like explain photosynthesis with a visual map. So yeah, what is photosynthesis? It is a process plants use to convert light energy into a chemical energy. So let's see the knowledge map. See over here. And also it is also giving you the visualization type radial map, and when we click on the nodes we will get the connection through different nodes as you can see over here. See, we have the second option is the hierarchical. See, then we also have the option of network. See, and the last one is nothing but the process flow, like to get to know the process of all those things. So when you click on this you will get to know a lot more about this platform and the information deep down. Then we have the next is the explore chemistry lab feature. So before going into a real-time chemistry reaction, we don't know the what are the precautions should be taken, what the reaction will get. So we will have the simulation over here to understand. Like methane combustion. Before over here we can see smart chemistry lab. It is a interactive molecular simulation with real-time equation balancing and safety analysis. It has the AI analysis feature. It also has the 3D visualization. It also has the safety analysis, which is the most important part of this platform. So let's click on the analysis. See, reaction analysis. It gives you CH4 plus 2 O, that is oxygen, give you a carbon dioxide and the water at the minus 890 kilojoules per mole. AI inside this reaction shows typical thermodynamic behavior for combustion reaction. The energy change drives the reaction equilibrium. So we have the description also over here. We have the reaction mechanism, like how the bonds are breaking and how they are combining with the H atoms are combining with the O. The most important part is the safety warnings. Like high risk, it is the open flame. So we must take care when we are doing it into a real-time offline mode. The medium risk is the carbon dioxide and hot products, which you can see water vapor and CO2 are produced at high temperature. So let's start simulation over here. So see, we have got the high temperature alert over here, and this was the simulation. Let's again run once again to get you the idea. The progress bar is there. See, you can see over here the high temperature again. You can also rotate this. See, so this is the most important part of this platform, the important feature. And the last one, which helps the students a lot, is the AI concept visualizer. It is an interactive educational content with dynamic visual storytelling. Like first one, many students struggle to read theory. So instead, we can help them to learn through visual appealing story. So visual storying, we have step-by-step visual explanation of complex concept. We have AI generated insights also to give you the intelligent explanation to gain the motivation of the student and get the idea of what they are doing and what they want to do in future. We have the interactive learning also. So let's take one of these. Let's move with water cycle. See, we have the most important part is the evaporation, as you can see. So what is evaporation? We have penetrated by the sun, ocean, lakes, and rivers turn into water vapor. We also have the AI insight, like what is the evaporation process? Evaporation is the cooling process that removes around 5 calories of heat energy, as you can see. We also have the key points over here on every sheet. So what is the next process is the transpiration. So we have the text over here. We also have the condensation, as you can see. The images over here, the cloud are forming. So as water vapor rises higher in the temperature, it cools and it condenses. So that's all we have in a complete, in a very designed manner to help the student be engaged, interactive, and learn a lot through visual appealing graphics. See. Next, we have the precipitation. We also have the collection and filtration. So it is also automated, see, as you can see. Oh yeah. Then Then we have the I button over here, which also give you the educational goal. So what the student will learn when they go through this. So understand the complex, complete water cycle process. They also identify the different states, learn how water moves from atmosphere, land, and ocean, recognizes factors, then appreciate water as a renewable but not finite resource, but it's a finite resource. So as you can see, we have the lot more information into this platform to help the students from every corner of the world to learn and understand in a very appealing and visual manner, as you can see. So that's all about AI Lab platform which I have built, and I hope it helps the society and the people and especially the students. Thank you for listening. Bye.